today, this is the part 4 of our, this is the part 3 of our how to make an Obby series. So at this time, we will make a spinner. So a spinner is, or lava spinner is a rotating object that looks like a helicopter blade that has either have kill bricks. So it has basically have kill bricks, so it will kill people at once. So first we need to add a part. If you want to make the normal one, just insert it here. Then if you want to make this long, okay, so we will make this long, this very long object. Then let's duplicate it if you want. If you want to make a spinner that is as big as this, if you want to make a spinner as big as this, then okay. Or you'll just decrease the length a bit, so it will become easier for players. And if you want to do this, okay, if you want like that, then if you want to rotate it 180 degrees, then it's your choice. So I want to make this 180 degrees. You must smallen it if your lava spinner is. So it's much better if you turn off the can't collide button. Here we go, and anchor it all. This and this. Then you can also add the material neon if you want. Then turn it into really reddish color. And now we'll add a script. Okay, so at this part, we'll add 2 scripts. So first thing we need to add a script is a spinning part. So here is the spinning part. Here we go. And let us test if the script works. Okay, this might take a long time. Okay, here we go. Here we go, guys. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Let's make sure the object is spinning. Okay, spinning. So we need to cross this part. Oh no. So you see, the object is spinning. Here we go. So you see the object is spinning. Let's stop the game and we'll insert another script on the object. Okay, here we go. We need to add another script. So at this part, we will add a kill bricks script, like I done a while last on the previous video. Here is the script for the kill brick. Let's remove this trick detector thing. Okay, and let's play this again. Let's play this again if the kill brick worked. Okay. Let's make a little gameplay. Oh, okay, so here we go. Okay, so now we're at the spinning object. Let's test it out. Okay. So as you guys can see, the object is spinning. So my this is all I want to make a tutorial today. So thank you guys for watching. If you learned something new, and check out our Discord link in the description if you want to see our script.